Our emergency medicine residency program is really dedicated to the patients here in San Antonio and South Texas. We take care of a very diverse patient population, and we really pride ourselves on knowing that the patients that we're taking care of are the people who need the care the most. The emergency department is an environment where there are a lot of people who are helping take care of patients. You work in a team with nurses, techs, medical students, other resident physicians, advanced practice providers. It takes everybody to actually be able to take care of the patient. We see the residents as part of the entire team that takes care of our patients, and we are lucky enough to be able to have the resources to take care of everything from a sprained ankle to a massive heart attack. And knowing that we have those resources behind us and the expertise behind those resources really prepares you for whatever environment that you're going to be in.
In San Antonio, there are a lot of sick patients here that we have, and we end up having a lot of resuscitations that end up happening. So it becomes clockwork in terms of your mechanics, in terms of how you're thinking about going to the next situation and how to treat this resuscitation. I've done so many ultrasounds at this point in time. I feel like I've developed a good clinical acumen with those ultrasounds. And so I feel like that's really surprised me in how much it's been emphasized here and how much that it gets you better at being an AM physician. I feel like I've grown a lot, and I feel like UT San Antonio helps a lot when in your process of getting better.
Once I saw the mission of UT and just saw everything and started meeting the people who worked here, it just really drew me to this program, and it kind of checked all the boxes of things that I was looking for. The people here really care about the patient population that we serve, and everyone tries to work together for the goal of treating patients as well as we can. You work closely with so many different people on the teams, from medical students, nurses, RTs, and everything in between, and you really get to know the people here, and it really is a pretty wonderful team to be a part of. And then I think just the level of support, when you're on the interview trail, everybody's like, oh, the faculty are so great and everyone's so supportive, but you never really know until you get there. And I found that the faculty here are so incredibly supportive. Everyone wants you to find your passion and your niche in life. And if you even just show the smallest interest in something, they're like, okay, let's get on it. Let's find research, let's find conferences. And everyone has been so incredibly supportive of me and all the things that I want to do. Really, my colleagues, my co-residents, and the faculty have all just been amazing.
Working within our emergency medicine team it really does embody teamwork. Everybody from respiratory therapy, pharmacy, nursing, residents, consulting services, everybody working together within their niche to provide the best patient care that we can is ultimately pretty incredible to see come to fruition when you're able to contribute to that team as the emergency medicine resident. I think the type of ambition that somebody would need to succeed in emergency medicine is the ambition to want to always be learning. Being an emergency medicine physician, you need to know a lot about a lot. You encounter all kinds of different pathologies, different levels of acuity, differentiating sick, not sick, understanding who has the potential to become sick. So that drive to constantly be learning, exposing yourself to new information, and getting to kind of play your role as the cardiologist one day, a little bit of a surgeon the next day, a little bit of an internal medicine doc the other day, and absorbing that information is what's going to make you a good emergency medicine physician. And the way that the university turns that ambition into a meaningful career is that they are able to funnel that ambition and fuel it with educational opportunities, sims, didactics, conferences, that you can always be absorbing the latest in research and information to provide evidence-based medicine throughout your career. And moreover, after you leave residency, they give you the tools to access this information so that you can be a lifelong learner.
Ambition is such an important thing in residency. Residency training inherently is a crucible where you are constantly being pushed to your limit. And having the ambition to be able to think beyond your day-to-day is what is going to propel you into a career of purpose. Our department is an incredible example of that. We've had several residents who have graduated to do some amazing things. It's really about training the next generation of emergency physicians who are committed to taking care of patients here in San Antonio and South Texas, both in residency training and beyond.